If you're seeing the Monday.com error data sync failed or an import failed message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy fix. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow if your integration stops working, your board isn't syncing properly, or an import process gets stuck. The steps are fast, safe, and easy to try, even if you're not very technical. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Monday.com fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary loading issue or a connection glitch, and a simple refresh can clear it up right away. After the page reloads, check whether the sync error is still there. If it is, the next step is to reconnect the integration. Open the board where the problem is happening, then look to the right side and click Automate. From there, find the automation or integration that's linked to the issue. Delete it first, because removing the broken connection gives you a clean start. Once that's done, go back and click Integrate. Now set up the integration recipe one more time from scratch. Recreating it helps reset the connection and often fixes the data sync failed error, especially when the original setup got corrupted or disconnected. Make sure you follow each prompt carefully, select the correct board, choose the right app or recipe, and confirm the settings before saving. Once the new integration is created, give Monday.com a moment to process everything, then test the sync again. In many cases, this is enough to clear the error and get your workflow working normally. If the issue was caused by a temporary refresh problem, the first step will solve it. If it was caused by a broken integration, reconnecting and recreating the recipe should do the trick. So to recap, refresh the page, then reconnect the integration. Open the board, click Automate from the right side, delete the broken automation, click Integrate, and make the integration recipe once more. That is the fastest way to fix Monday.com error data sync failed or import failed. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.